How to turn off active status on Messenger Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off active status on Messenger Lite. First thing, go to Messenger Lite and then click this settings icon in the top corner, and now go down and here you will find it in the top, this one, active status. Click on it, and now all you need to do is just one click on this one here, and then you will see this one here. Click turn off, and as you see, active status has been turned off. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.